1, 2, 3, and 4. Go anchor, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. So for our new material today, we started with just the vanilla version of a side catch, and it comes off of a right side pass. So 1, 2, he connects to the ribs, decelerating me. He lunges left, I lunge right. We've got this nice solid connection point here. He rotates the body to bring me up, and that is just the vanilla. Even within that, there's so many other things that we could do. But the timing that we gave to that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So then, just to snazzify it, we did a slip spin, like a shoulder catch, but not. Monty goes right to the shoulder, releases, and slides down my left arm. We're now left to left, very unusual. He's gonna rotate me away. 1, 2, side catch, just catches my side on 3, brings me up on 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8.
We also talked about how if you wanted to free spin the end of that, you could. Remember, we're keeping that elbow down, but we're doing that through regulation of the hand position. Okay, that way she sets it up for outside spin. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Timing is identical.
So watch that again from this angle. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go anchor, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8.